What's up, Diplo? I want to tell you why I think I would be a great addition to be on this board for the K-Swiss. My skills, professions, and everything I love is visual design, from print to web design, anything digital. But more importantly, music, and your music, because of you and the people like Flosstradamus and everyone around you, has really gotten me into music. And what I love to do is implement my skills in design into music as well, and into styles and whatever. I have something up for you right now. Doesn't that look familiar? Yeah, but that's me and my buddy who DJ, so you can kind of see where the passion comes from. Here's a little thing for Jaws I did too. So that just kind of shows what I love to do, and I just do that in my free time and use that, just for fun. Anytime I can do it, I will, because that's how passionate I am about it. That's how much I love doing it. Where I think I want to take this brand, after looking at everything, is I would love to implement travel. I think it's an amazing thing. I love watching your Snapchat stories. I'm just very jealous of where you get to go. I think it's awesome. I think it's a huge learning experience for everyone. As you can see, I'm kind of rocking it a little bit right now. I went to Australia, one of my favorite places. Got a jersey over there, and then just keeping it classy. American flag pants, repping the home country. So that's really where I want to take this brand if I get chosen for this board. Hopefully you can see my passions, my skill set for it. I think it'll be a great addition, and I hope you and the K-Swiss team can see as well. Have a good one.